everyone, welcome back to Art of Interior. Today we're going to dive into something essential for anyone working from home, how to set up a home office that's both functional and inspiring. If you spend the full work week there or even just a few hours, it's important that your home office be a comfortable and inviting place to spend time and to get your work done efficiently. Whether you're working remotely, starting a side hustle, or just need a space to get things done, I've got you covered with some practical tips. Let's get started. Choose the right location. First things first, location. Where you set up your home office is crucial. The key to selecting the right place for your home office is to think about where and when you do your work. Pick a spot that's away from high traffic areas in your home. If possible, choose a room with a door that you can close to minimize distractions. Natural light is a game changer. Position your desk near a window to boost your mood and productivity. If natural light isn't an option, make sure you have adequate artificial lighting. Essential furniture. Next up, let's talk furniture. You don't need to spend a fortune, but there are a few essentials you'll want to invest in. Your desk is the centerpiece of your home office. Look for one that fits your space and has enough surface area for your work. If you're short on space, consider a wall-mounted or foldable desk. Ideally, your desk should 120 cm wide minimum. A good chair is worth the investment. Opt for something ergonomic with adjustable height and lumbar support. Trust me, your back will thank you later. Organization, storage. Now that you've got your desk and chair, let's make sure your space stays organized. A cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind. Keep only the essentials on your desk and find a home for everything else. Shelves, drawers, and desk organizers can help keep your space tidy. Consider using vertical storage options like wall-mounted shelves to save space. Labels are a simple but effective way to keep everything organized. Label your files, boxes, and drawers so you can easily find what you need. Place to meet. Will you have clients or customers visit during the day? If you have room to have a small meeting area, that is ideal. If not, plan for some additional seating in your home office designed to allow for sit-down meetings. Tech setup. Your tech setup is another important part of your home office. Let's make sure it's efficient and clutter-free. Your computer should be at eye level to avoid neck strain. If you're using a laptop, consider getting a laptop stand and an external keyboard. Invest in both a wireless printer and a wireless mouse. Keep your cables organized to avoid a tangled mess. Use cable ties or a cable management box to keep everything neat and out of sight. Don't forget to back up your data. Use an external hard drive or cloud storage to ensure your important files are safe. Adding personal touches. Now for the fun part, adding some personality to your space. Add some artwork, plants, or personal items that make you happy and inspire you. Just be mindful not to overcrowd your space. A vision board can be a great way to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Plus, it adds a nice personal touch to your office. And there you have it, everything you need to set up a home office that's functional, organized, and totally you. I hope these tips help you create a space where you can be productive and comfortable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiration.